In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use PAYHOA. So basically, PAYHOA is a cloud-based software designed to help homeowner associations manage dues, communication, and maintenance efficiently. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that they offer different plans. So let me load this page. Now basically they also have this 30-day free trial, so you can use it for 30 days, and as you can see, no credit card required, and you can cancel anytime. So basically you can use it and then simply cancel. Now here you have self-manage and management company. Now as you can see, it's gonna be, depends on how many units you have, around $99 per month. So basically you have online payments, unit management, requests and violations, financial reporting, and much more. So basically that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.